Page 34, this is number 2 at the bottom of the page, where you're making up a melody and harmonizing according to the chord sequence they're giving you. Well, let's see what we got. We got a 4/4 time and 1 sharp in it, and it says we're in E minor. That makes sense, because E minor has 1 sharp, because it's relative to G major. So since the melody has to fit with the harmony, we need to know what the harmony is. So let's do the chords. We have an E minor chord. We have a C chord with an E on the bottom. So it's actually, we're just coming up here. Then we have a B chord here, B major, with D sharp on the bottom, so it's here. And an E minor. Let's do those again. E minor, C with an E on the bottom, a B with a D flat, or D sharp on the bottom, or D something, I don't know, and then an E minor. Okay. Then second line, E minor, and then we have an A minor with an E on the bottom. There's A minor with an E on the bottom. So just one. And then again a B major with a D sharp on the bottom. And a third. But they want the D sharp on the bottom. Don't listen to me, just do what I do here. So, and then E minor here. So we get the chords. And then melody just uses, and again, you can just use broken chords here to start with, and then you can play around with them, try adding other notes that are not in the chord and see how it sounds. Now they're giving you the beginning and the ending of each phrase. They want you to start the phrase here and end the phrase where they tell you to. That's whatever, okay? So I ended on their notes and started on that. But now, once you do that, I just played broken chords. Try adding other notes. Here. See? Well, this and this, and I added a passing tone and a neighbor tone or whatever. Just add other notes that are not in the chord and see what it sounds like. That's all. Make up a melody. As far as I'm concerned, if it sounds okay, it is okay. The more you play around with this and these chords and getting used to these inversions and so forth and seeing them in the music, the easier they'll come in time. And you'll sit down and you'll just, oh yeah, I know those chords, and you'll just do them. It takes time, a lot of time, but just keep at it and play with it. Enjoy it as best you can.